Hello students, welcome to Lido Learning's question and answer videos. My name is Pallib and I teach maths and science at Lido. Let's have a look at this very interesting question, that is, what do you mean by anomalous behavior of water? Before we go ahead with the anomaly in water, let's talk about liquids in general. So thermal expansion in liquids, we all know that thermal expansion happens in liquids. That is, the liquids, they expand when provided heat. Now let's try to understand this phenomena in a bit detail. Let's say this is how the molecules of liquid they look like, a little farther away from each other. Now what happens when we provide heat to the molecules or heat to the liquid in general? The kinetic energy of the molecules increases. As a result, the intermolecular force of attraction between them will decrease. So let me write that down. So intermolecular forces of attraction start decreasing or decreases. As a result, the molecules will start moving farther away from each other, as in this case. So they start moving farther away from each other, therefore the liquid expands, right? But it doesn't happen with water. So why does it not happen, or what exactly happens? Let's just look at the answer here. So what do we mean by anomalous behavior? Substances, they expand on heating and their density decreases. Now we know that density is what? Density is mass by volume. So here we talked about the molecules expanding, right? If they are expanding means volume is increasing. If volume is increasing, then density will decrease. So the substances, they expand on heating and the density decreases, but in case of water it does not happen. Water does not expand between 0 to 4 degrees Celsius. Instead, it contracts. So water contracts between 0 to 4 degrees Celsius. Expands, however, above 4 degrees Celsius. So let's say if this is the water at 0 degrees Celsius, this will be water at 4 degrees Celsius. That is, density has increased. Right? Now, this means that water has maximum density at 4 degrees Celsius, and this is called anomalous behavior of water because it's just quite opposite to what happens in liquids. Now, why this happens is you will study in your higher classes. So we all know that water molecule is H2O. So what happens is when we start giving heat to the water molecules, hydrogen bonds in the molecule of water, they start breaking down, and at 4 degrees Celsius, all the hydrogen bonds have broken down. That is the result, that is the reason why all the molecules, they come close together or the density increases. But if we continue providing heat to the water, then it follows thermal expansion, the normal thermal expansion which happens in liquids, that is the molecules moving farther apart and the forces of attraction between the molecules is reducing. So that is what happens. If you have any further questions, please post your comments below. Do not forget to subscribe to Lido. Thank you.